Welcome back, folks. Today we got the hose end sprayer out. We're going to be spraying some nematodes on the yard. These little fellows can take out the larvae and other insects out of the yard. They feed on those. So first thing we got to do is get the little filter out of the end so the nematodes can pass through. Now that that's out, we're going to start loading up our nematodes. We got these from Nature's Good Guys. We got the triple pack, which is a variety pack, and we also did the 250 million, which should do about 2.5 acres. Now we just have to walk those acres. We're just eyeballing the volume here. We're going to be taking 1/5 of the package and pouring it into our hose end sprayer bottle. So you just want to be careful here. It will spill if it's quite full. We're going to be adding these guys into the jar, and then we're going to be adding water to get them going. Just take your time here. It will kind of cake up on the way out, and it can make a mess. I did spill a little bit, you can see. But these are safe. They're not going to hurt anybody. They are safe for humans and pets. Now we're just going to be adding some water, getting these guys going, and then stirring it with a cheap little chopstick from the restaurant. Gently stirring, getting them stirred up and going. We are going to start with what the recommended setting was, 1.5 teaspoons. This turned out for us to be super slow. I don't know if it was the diameter of our garden hose or if we were just walking fast, but it didn't feel that fast. We were walking at a regular slow pace. We ended up changing the setting twice, so you'll see that we actually changed it to 2 teaspoons, which hardly made a difference, and we did change it up to 4 tablespoons, which seemed to go at a regular pace. When the nematodes arrived, we just kept them cold in the refrigerator, and we were lucky that the rain came that day, and then the very next day we started spraying the nematodes. So it worked out perfectly for us. The ground was soaked and wet, and then we sprayed these with a hose end sprayer, which actually added more water to the ground. So these nematodes should be nice and healthy and being able to penetrate the ground quite easily. Okay, folks, well, we're looking forward to getting rid of all the critters in the yard. These nematodes should take care of a lot of larvae and fleas and other types of bugs. So this is going to be great for us, especially with the dog. And I would recommend playing with your settings. Your mileage may vary. If you're not having good luck spraying, try a bigger diameter hose, or just try changing the setting and walking at a different pace. Those things may come together to spray quite well. It was not hard, just time consuming walking the yard. Alright, this is just the first pass on the yard. We got to do 4 more passes after this. Give us a like and a subscribe if this helps you. Let me know if you're putting nematodes on your yard. Stay tuned to Homestead Y'all. We'll be back for more. And thanks for watching.